Datablit Warehouse is where we store all the data for complex analysis and real-time data decision. We have two types of event. Track events will be stored in the events table. Hit the data tab, write a query to see all the events. Here you can see the list of events that we are collecting. You can use this table for analysis and building long-term business strategy. Second, identify. Identify raw table stores every piece of user data along with the changes made to it over time. It keeps a complete history of all the updates, so you have a detailed record of how user data has evolved over time. Identify is a view that coalesces all the traits of a user in a single row and shows the most recent updated data. Let's see this as an example. Here, I have logged in as Arjun Patel. Click the user icon to update the name of the user. Let's call him Arjun Patel Singh. Hit update. Now go to the data tab, write a query to fetch data from the identify table with the most recent ones at the top. Here you can see the name has been updated to Arjun Patel Singh. Now write the query to fetch the data from identify raw table. Here you can see earlier the name was Arjun Patel. Now it has been updated in a new column. This means that identify raw table stores all the updates and help you understand users in detail. To view the detailed profile of each user as events are collected for each user, click the user profile tab for a 360-degree view of a specific user. Here we can see the list of users. Click to analyze the user in detail. Its trait like name, email, events like flight booked, flight selected, and signal. We will discuss signal later in this series. Many times when we ingest events into Datablit, whether from the SDK, HTTP API, or any third-party tools, events may fail. All these failures are captured automatically in the events error table. The events error table stores three things: the error message, the data, and the timestamp when the ingestion failed. Datablit auto-generates warehouse schema based on your event data. So if your incoming events change format, schema mismatch error can occur. There can be many scenarios, but here we will discuss two common cases. Different property names resolve to the same column. Here, the order amount is written in two different ways, but Datablit automatically converts both into consistent snake case. So they end up getting mapped to the same field. But in case they send different data types, then the ingestion will fail automatically. A field data type changes over time. For example, if the amount column was a number before, now it comes in as a numeric string that is still valid. Datablit will convert the final column to the float. If the amount column was a string before, now it comes in as a number. That's also valid. But the Datablit will convert the final column to a string. But if the amount was a number before, now it comes in as a string containing letters, that's not valid. And the final column will show an error.